Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another video. Not a DIY video yet. This one is more like an update video. So I know you guys have been reaching out to me because my previous website was hacked and that has been down for a while. So I went ahead and made a brand new website. So I just wanted to update you guys on that because people have been reaching out wanting to know where to get my templates and my principles and things like that. So the new website is called creativecraftingllc.com. Now, my previous website, my domain name got hacked. So once that happened, I thought I'll be able to get it back, but after weeks of trying, it was just no luck. So that kind of discouraged me and I stopped making videos because of that. And also I work full time as too, so that also had a part to play in it. But I went ahead and just created this brand new website, and all of my graphics are not on the store yet, but bear with me because I'm trying to add new graphics every night, as many as I can. Keep in mind I do work full time, so I am trying to just be a little patient with me. But my chocolate bar purse video did get a good amount of views, as well as my memorial or celebration of life t-shirt. So I went ahead and put as many templates as I can up of those, so you can definitely get those graphics, and they're instant download just like my previous website. I'm also offering my sewing patterns for sale as well. I do have some kids outfits on there. I do have some party favors, some principal party favors for girls and boys, but keep in mind the site is new, so I don't have as much stuff as I had on the previous site. Like I said, bear with me. I'm adding new images and new items every single night as I can. And I do also have freebies as well. Okay, if there's any particular item you're interested in one of the other videos and you don't see it, definitely let me know. Shoot me a message and I'll be sure to add it. There's also a message tab on the website itself where you can also message me from there as well, and it'll come through in my phone directly, like messenger or almost like a text message. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and update you guys and show you guys the new site. So it'll be creativecraftingllc.com. I'm going to put the link down below, and I'm going to also update my information in my about section of my YouTube channel so you guys can have that. And I am coming at you guys real hard the next couple of days going into the new year. Like, I'm editing literally like 8 different videos at one time right now. Like, I am just knocking them out because it has been so many months. I have so many projects to share with you guys. I'm going to be adding how I make my custom jumpsuits and my little girl dresses and all types of things. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys how to make a purchase on the website. So like I said, the images on my website are instant download. So I'm going to just basically go through a checkout process with you guys and show you guys exactly what I mean. So I'm going to go to the freebies section of my shop. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this Encanto logo. And then once that pops up, I'm going to go ahead and add it to cart. So it's a regular checkout process, just like any other store that you might shop on. And then once I add it to cart, and I go to checkout, I'm going to put in my information, as well. I believe it asks for your name, your address, possibly, and your email. It's important that you leave your email if it does ask you for that, guys, just in case there's an issue downloading the image. I can send it directly to your email address, so definitely put in your email. And yes, it asks for your email, your first and last name, and your phone number, and just go ahead and put that in. And that is actually my number. Well, that's my old number, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't want a bunch of text messages, okay? But I'm just going to go ahead and put my information in. And once I put my information in and I click on place order, once the order goes through, it'll pop back up. It'll be a thank you message, and then right next to the order, it has an arrow and it says download. And you will go ahead and click download, and you can download it instantly as soon as you check out, as far as the images are, okay? And this is how it'll look. This is the Encanto with different colors with a transparent PNG background, okay? And then they also send you a email link as well. So you have 2 ways, guys, of how to get your images once you purchase them, your images, your templates, or whatever. All of the instant downloads on my website, you have 2 ways that you can get them. So it'll be an instant download available when you check out, and then it'll also send a message to your email where you can get it from there. And I logged into my email so you guys can see, and there is the message right there on top, and it says thank you for shopping with us. And when you go down, there's also another download tab right next to the image that you purchased. Okay, basically it's an invoice with the download link in the invoice, and once you click download, the image will pop right back up again. And however you're purchasing, whether it be laptop, cell phone, go ahead and save your image, and you can use it for whatever you need to use it for. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update, and thank you so much for everyone that reached out and the support. Thank you so much, and like always, like I always say, stay blessed.